The building industry is a huge contributor to climate change. In fact, manufacturing cement and steel alone account for about 16% of global greenhouse gas emissions.
That's about 8 times worse than flying. WRAL Climate Change reporter Liz McLaughlin shows us 2 companies launching technology that aims to change that.
What started as a venture to produce oxygen on other planets led to a terrestrial application, a green way to make steel.
This is a complete novel process, something that was never looked into before.
Jonathan Gaifman is CEO of Helios, the Israel-based company that found a way to produce 99% pure iron from iron ore, using sodium instead of carbon.
We turn this into green iron.
Requiring only thermal energy and emitting only oxygen.
We are talking about a process that can reduce direct emissions to zero. Indirect emissions by roughly 90%, depends on the energy source.
Helios says it's cheaper too, costing about 20% less than traditional production methods. Createrra is another Israeli company aiming to upend the building industry by developing an eco-replacement for cement.
Fully circular, fully sustainable products that are produced without going beyond the boiling point of water.
The company developed a mixture using natural raw materials that are recyclable and biodegradable.
We put it inside this machine. If you want, you can touch it and smell it.
It's very earthy.
The product is pressed and heated using minimal energy, never going beyond 100 degrees Celsius. Ceramics and cement, in contrast, use kilns fired at temperatures above 1,000 degrees.
That saves 90% of the energy and therefore 80% of the CO2 emissions.
Createrra is currently expanding to a larger production facility in Portugal and developing a thinner and more insulated cement block replacement, in addition to the current wall tiles.
It's a game changer.
Startup innovations, hoping to upend some of the world's biggest contributors to climate change. Liz McLaughlin, WRAL News.
Createrra says its products will be launching in Europe, Asia, and the U.S. in the coming months, and Helios is launching a pilot plant program on the East Coast later this year.